performance over grandeur, this best described the first day of campaign in Mandaue and Talisay City. Incumbent Mandaue City Mayor Jonas Cortez and his running mate Glenn Bersede attended 6 a.m. Mass at the National Shrine of St. Joseph in Mandaue City. Cortez said he is hoping for a peaceful and successful elections, and he reminds all voters to be critical of the candidates that they are going to choose as their next set of leaders.
What we did was reporting kay ang agi ang nahimo sa pundok na gipanguluhan namo ni Congresswoman Lapu-Lapu. So ang ato performance kuan kanang performance against Saad no kay kuan man nato nga ang kasagaran mga incumbent.
Pagka mayor.
On the other hand, opposition party Bando Bag-ong Mandaue, led by former City Councilor Attorney Nilo Seno, visited sitios in Barangay Banilad, Mandaue City today to kick off their election campaign for the May 2022 polls.
Ini, muni nagpakita tas katauhan. Yango lang taron. Yango lang.
In Talisay City, re-electionist Mayor Samsam Gulyas with his wife Freya, who is running unopposed as 1st District Representative, attended a mass at Santo Niño Parish in Barangay Mohon before holding a caravan with the rest of the members of Team Alayon. They are also scheduled to hold a grand rally this 7 in the evening in Barangay Poblacion. His former ally, now political opponent, incumbent Vice Mayor Alan Bukaw of Barug Lumad Talisay noon, kept the first day of his campaign simple. Bukaw with his slate conducted a house-to-house handshaking, and they plan to schedule their proclamation rally this coming Sunday, March 27. In Lapu-Lapu City, Team Ahong Team Libre chose to start their campaign in Olango Island. A long caravan was conducted by Ahong's team to win the votes of the Olangohanons. Their grand rally in Lapu-Lapu City's mainland is also scheduled this Sunday. Team Derecho, the opposition team led by incumbent Congresswoman Paz Radasa, has not yet posted their activities for the official campaign period as of this writing. But on Radasa's Facebook page, several photos of pulong-pulongs in various Lapu-Lapu City barangays have already been uploaded during the past few days. She is scheduled to have another pulong-pulong this 7 o'clock in the evening with Tingog Party List Representative Yeda Romualdez. This has been Sheriza Mae Uy from my TV Cebu.